Hey folks, welcome to Sawny Mountain Motors Online. Really special van for you here today. It's a 2018 Sprinter 2500 with the upfit package, and it's quite a van. It's an Overlander. It's factory Mercedes four-wheel drive. This is the year that everyone wants because it has the 6-cylinder turbo diesel. And she's been lifted, four-wheel drive, off-road, Overlander, split wheelchair lift. This van has the factory high and low four-wheel drive package, high roof, driver comfort package, driver efficiency package, active safety, premium appearance package, the high idle package, has the auxiliary passenger van heating pack, which is a gas-fueled heater. It's got front and rear roof air, navigation, camera, leather, all that stuff. We haven't cleaned it or detailed it yet. We haven't serviced it yet. The tires are a little weak, so we just ordered 4 new tires for it. We'll get it in service, get the thing completely serviced up like new. The van only has 34,000 miles on it. So we'll change all the fluids and filters, make sure there's no issues anywhere. We will clean it, detail it, we'll polish and buff the paint, we'll apply a Teflon paint coating to the whole thing, and we'll put 4 new tires on it. Let me walk around and let you take a look at the outside, and then we'll take a look at the inside. High roof with the big roof air conditioner system up there. Really cool van. Local customer here. Did not need it anymore, so we purchased it from him. Rear cameras, all that. It's got the factory navigation package. Let's just dive right in. I think I already said 34,000 miles. WeatherTech mats, heated seats, the customer did something pretty unique with this van, which I'll show you in just a minute. So when he first bought this van, he had a full-size wheelchair lift, and you really couldn't get in and out of the van. So he took that out and he put the split platform lift. So that lift opens up and then opens down to the ground, but you can stow this away. And then he had the seats modified, so if you don't want the wheelchair lift in there, you still have these 2 rows. He just had the seats modified so they would fit with the wheelchair lift. So if you want to use the wheelchair lift, you just pop those 2 seats out, and that split lift opens up and then comes down, and then it folds back out of your way so you can still get in and out of the van. Pretty good option for this van. The big rear seat in the back, full headliner. That's it, guys. Give me a shout. You can get me on my cell anytime. Mike Stout, Sawny Mountain Motors, 404-867-5028. This van will be serviced, clean, detailed, and ready for sale in the next couple days or next few days. Appreciate it. Have a great day.